Hello?
Hi, Karen. This is Janet. Did you hear that Joanne is moving to England?
Yeah, what a great opportunity for her.
I'm thinking about throwing her a going-away party. What do you think?
I think that's a wonderful idea. She is such a good coworker.
Would you like to help me plan it?
Sure. Let's make it a potluck so everyone can bring a dish to share.
That's a great idea. Less stress if I don't have to cook.
Right. How many people do you want to invite?
How about all of the people she works with? How many is that?
I think there are about 30 people in our department, including us.
Should we keep it a secret or let her know?
She doesn't like people making a big fuss over her, so let's keep it a secret.
When should we have the party?
When is she moving?
Next month, I think.
Then we should do it soon. She'll be busy packing and getting ready for the move.
How about next Friday? It's her last day at work, too.
Perfect.
I'll send out an email to everyone tonight. Thanks for your help.
Sally, what's wrong? Why do you look so sad?
Mom, Candace is moving away.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Why is she moving?
Her dad got a job in another state.
Where is she moving?
To California. That's across the country.
There are many ways you can still keep in touch. You can email, text, and call each other on the phone.
But it won't be the same as seeing each other every day. She's my best friend. I'm gonna miss her.
I know you will. When are they moving?
At the end of June when the school year ends, in 2 months.
Would you like to invite her over this weekend? You can have a sleepover.
Yes, please. That would be great. We're going to try and hang out as much as possible before she moves.
That sounds like a good plan.
Can we visit her in California?
It's pretty far from us. We don't know anyone there.
Yes, we do. Candace and her family.
Hey, Jeff, are you okay?
Hi, Dad. Yeah, I'm just a little sad that we are selling my childhood home.
I know. I'm sad too, but it's just too big for your mother and me.
I understand. I just have a lot of memories here.
Me too. This is the first home your mother and I bought.
Do you remember all of our holiday parties here? Everyone came to our house.
Of course I remember them. Those were the best times.
Now I'm married and have a family of my own.
I wish we didn't have to sell it, but we can no longer take care of it. We're getting old, and it's too much work.
Do you know who bought our house?
A young couple with 2 kids. They seem like a loving family.
Where will you and Mom go?
We found a beautiful, small condo a few blocks away.
That's nice. Will there be enough room when the grandchildren visit?
Yes, we have an extra room for guests, so your kids can stay over any time.
Where's Mom?
She's at the fabric store. She wants to sew new curtains for the condo.
Hi, Carol. You look tired today.
I am tired. I didn't get any sleep last night.
Why?
Our neighbor's dog would not stop barking. He barked all night long.
That's awful. Did you complain to your neighbor?
I knocked on his door, but he didn't answer. I don't think he was home.
What did you do all night?
I couldn't sleep, so I tried to read a book, but the dog's barking kept distracting me, so I just watched TV.
I would be so angry. You should have called the police.
I didn't want to bother the police with a barking dog.
I would have called them. What if there was an emergency at your neighbor's house and the dog was trying to alert someone?
That's true. I didn't think about that. But this dog usually barks because he's bored.
That's annoying.
Hi, Helen. What's wrong?
I couldn't sleep until 3 o'clock in the morning.
Why? What happened?
Our neighbor's children threw a big party last night. The music was so loud.
Wow. Where were their parents?
They are on vacation. They left the kids home.
How old are the kids?
They're teenagers. They're old enough to be home alone.
Did you complain to them?
Yes, I went over there 3 times. I told them that their music was too loud and we were trying to sleep.
What did they do?
Nothing. They wouldn't turn the music down.
That is so rude. Why didn't you call the police?
I finally did. The police found some of the teens drinking alcohol.
I bet that ended the party.
Yeah. Now my neighbors are heading back home from their vacation.
Do they know what happened?
Yes, they are not happy. Those kids are in big trouble.
I feel so bad for Mary.
Me too. I can't believe her husband died. They were married for a long time.
I know. What is she going to do now?
I don't know. Does she have any children?
No, I don't think they had any children.
How about other family members?
I think she had one sister, but she passed away several years ago.
So she's all alone now?
Yeah, isn't that sad?
Yes, it is very sad.
She is always so nice to everyone. I think we should all get together and do something nice for her.
I like that idea. What should we do?
Let's take turns helping her around the house.
Great idea. We can take care of her yard, help clean her house, and bring her meals.
I love this. Let's talk to the other neighbors soon. Bus 47 come yet?
No, I think it's late today.
Do you ride this bus every day?
Yeah. Do you?
Not every day, only a couple of times a week.
Well, I think the bus is late today because of the rain.
Oh, does the weather make a difference?
Yes, the bus is usually several minutes late when it rains.
Because of bad traffic?
Yeah, and probably because of car accidents.
That makes sense. I must have picked the wrong day to ride the bus.
Actually, I think riding the bus on rainy days is better.
Why?
Then you don't have to drive in bad traffic. Someone is driving for you.
You are totally right. I'm going to check the weather from now on. I'm going to take the bus when it rains.
Then I'll see you here at the bus stop.
Great. It was nice talking with you.
Yes, it was. I think our bus is coming now.